guys, it's Lita Lum's Apothecary Health and Beauty Hacks, and today we're going to discuss neck wrinkles and things you can do to help, exercises you can do to help, and a few other procedures you can do at home that will help with the neck. And everybody, wants to work on their neck because this is one of the tell-all signs of aging is your neck. Okay guys, so we're going to do some exercises. These are the best exercises I've found towards the end of this video. I want to talk about derma rolling. Derma rolling, you guys, okay, it's great for scars, pitting, scars. It's really actually been helping these neck wrinkles, which are from lifting my head, doing Pilates for pretty much my whole life, my whole adult life. Since I was like a teenager, I've been doing that. And I've stopped doing that. Now I keep my head down, but these have been there for so long. But I've been derma rolling from the suggestion of a few of you for saying that you derma roller every day, which, there are some arguments saying that you should probably just do it once a month. But if you're getting success by doing that, excellent. So derma rolling has helped. I only did it a few times, and it has been about a month, and it seems less. So I got to do it again tonight. I'm going to do it again. That's a great way to work with increasing the collagen in your skin. I'm really into putting castor oil on my neck. Castor oil penetrates, it's recommended for scar tissue, abdominal, internal scarring. You do the castor oil packs. So there's a lot of ways that this penetrates. Since the neck skin is so thin, it's really good to do some oils, I think. DMAE also is a great firming, lifting, so that's a good thing to do. So exercises, you guys. Exercises help firm and plump the sagging skin on your neck, you guys. That's what you want to do. So this is the most potent one I've found. To work the platysma, that's the muscle that goes all the way down, right? So you want to work that and it'll lift. The platysma, if you do the gym carry, that's what some people are calling it, gym carry, you go like this, and you kind of like spread it wild and kind of jut your chin out. You could do that, but this one is my favorite one. This is where you resist with your fist. This is from facial size. You sit up nice and tall so you're not jamming the back of your neck. Nice and tall. Like you want to stretch your neck. First of all, posture is a great way to keep your neck nice and long. Just keep your head, top of your head reaching up. That's what I do a lot so that I'm not doing this type of thing. That's not pretty. So long, lovely neck, and then you're resisting down with my fist, right? I'm pressing down, and you can feel it really working. So that's my favorite one because I can really feel it. But you want to keep nice posture so that you're not straining the back of your neck. I'm kind of spreading, so you can kind of, if you really got some hanging neck here, you can kind of lift it up and spread and work the muscles. And do it until you feel the muscle burning. Not like really like my neck hurts, but you want to feel the muscle burning. Just like when you work out, you want to feel like, oh, my muscles are tired so that they transform. That's how you get the muscles to transform. So a little pressing down, that's my favorite one. Another really fun one you can do a little easier is kissing the ceiling. You do a little bit fishy. You kind of jut your chin up and reach, lengthening that muscle, and you lift your lips up, and it duels as a lip plumping exercise, right? You lift and kind of jut up and to the ceiling. And you want to do it at different angles. You kind of turn like a fish reaching, kissing the ceiling like a fish, right? You can really feel this one as well. You want to make sure your shoulders are back so you're not straining the back of the neck. Going to different angles, right? Another one, tongue to nose, which is really fun. I remember doing this, sticking my tongue out, touching my nose with it as a kid. My mom would crack up, and I would do it all the time because it was fun to hear her laugh. I can actually touch my tongue to my nose. Maybe that was partly why it was fun. So this is going to work those muscles up under here to kind of lift a little bit more of the double chin. Right? Another one to get deep in here is the baby bird. You're gonna smile, push your tongue up to the roof of your mouth, and swallow. 3 things. Tongue, it looks like a baby bird. And then you kind of bring your head also to the different directions, right? So you're gonna you see how it's working that? It's kind of hard to do. Push the tongue up. You see just doing that, how that engages the muscles. You're smiling to work these muscles here and swallowing. And you're gonna reach your head in the different directions. It makes sense, it looks like a baby bird. All of these you can do laying down as well. So that'll be a good way to keep your shoulders back. This one is a laying down one, definitely, but all the other ones you can do it sitting, which is maybe more likely to be done, but if you're laying down, it's great. This one also duels as a lip plumping. You're gonna pull your lips back around your teeth and kind of smile up. You can, what I've done is often put the V's around here, so you're kind of stretching the skin so it's not wrinkling, right? When you squint, you don't want to wrinkle right here. Smiling and then pulling the teeth back and kind of jutting your chin up. So what you can do laying down is lift your head. You're gonna be lifting your head up as you pull the teeth back, all right? And then you can do the smithing, pulling the bottom of your eyelids up. Those are my top exercises that I think are the best ones for this area, that are most effective. Also, just pinching and massaging this area is good. Dry brushing while doing the kiss the ceiling, right? Drawing down, reaching up, so you're working against the muscle with a dry brush. Yeah, man, castor oil, dry brush. DMAE is a great cream for plumping. I really like DMAE in creams. I'm definitely formulating my day serum with the DMAE, you guys. It has like a plumping effect to the skin and a lifting. So get a cream with DMAE for your skin on your neck is what my recommendation. And the Derma Rolling. And that's it, guys. I really think you should try those if you're having issues with crepey neck, you know, whatever you want to, turkey neck. Let's not call it all these sad names. So I really recommend doing that maybe every other day for a week, and then doing it like every day for the rest of the month, and see what happens. Commit to doing it a few times and do it before and after picture. I double dog dare you. Let's see what happens, you guys. So that's it, guys. I just really wanted to discuss that because there's definitely quite a few questions about what to do with the neck area. For all of us, we want to keep it youthful because it's, you know, that's where we age real quick. Let me know if you've done any exercises that I did mention that have really helped you in your neck. Let us know in the comments. I'm sure everyone's dying to know. Or any other skin products, firming, DMAE, what have you been using, you guys? Any miraculous derma rolling? I'd love to hear those. Yes, Derma Rolling. All right, guys, hope that helps. Have fun. And if you hit the bell button next to the subscription button, you'll be notified when I put up the videos on Thursdays and when we do live videos at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on the Zen Deck. Okay? All right, bye. To help with wrinkly neck, which is, I think, one of the tall tale. And if you like the video, please you know, lift. Darn it, you're early.